Welcome! Today in front of me I have the DJI Flip drone, and to be particular the Fly More combo, and in this video I'll show how you can power on or off both the aircraft itself as well as the remote controller too. So, as it is with all DJI drones and remote controllers, in order to shut them down or power them on, you will need to first find the power button on the remote controller. You'll find it left to the right stick. Here it is. And now simply press it once and then press again and hold it. Once you'll hear the sound that the remote controller has just produced, you know that the device is being switched on. When it comes to the aircraft itself, the blueprint is identical, so find the power button. On this aircraft you'll find it on the bottom or on the rear right side of the drone. Here it is. So press it once and then the second time press and hold the button. And as you can see, the drone or the aircraft is being powered on as well. Now give it a few seconds. Let's give it a few seconds to switch itself on. Enter the camera view, and as you can see, everything works just fine. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So, well, actually before I finish, let me also show how you shut it down. As I mentioned at the start of this tutorial, you will need to press the button once and then press and hold it. And as you can see, the RC is being shut down now, and the same goes for the drone or the aircraft itself. So find the power button, press it once and then press and hold it. So 2 presses in total. First one you release as soon as you feel the haptic feedback of the button, or the tactile feedback of a button rather, and the second press you hold the button for a few seconds. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.